box. Number 2 is Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K 3D printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 3D printer is an optimistic game-changer in printing stunningly detailed keycaps. With its mind-blowing 22mm ultra-high resolution, this printer leaves all others in the dust, taking your keycaps to a new level of intricacy. Say goodbye to blurry lines and hello to razor-sharp perfection. Thanks to its linear projection LED module, every minute detail on your keycaps will shine with crystal clarity. No longer will those hidden nuances be lost in the shadows. The Sonic Mini 8K brings them to life like never before. But it doesn't stop there. The ultra-stable dual linear rails ensure that your prints remain rock-solid throughout the process. No more wobbles or shakes that could ruin your masterpiece. With the Sonic Mini 8K, stability is the game's name. With a 7.1-inch mono LCD screen and an 18cm Z-axis, the Sonic Mini 8K provides ample space to let your creativity run wild. Whether you want to print more comprehensively or multiple keycaps simultaneously, this printer covers you. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.